everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about something real. The wellness industry can be expensive. Gym memberships, organic groceries, wellness retreats, fancy supplements, boutique fitness classes, it adds up fast. And it can make wellness feel inaccessible if you're on a budget. But here's what I want you to know. You don't need to spend a lot of money to take care of yourself. True wellness isn't about expensive products or exclusive experiences. It's about consistent habits and practices that support your well-being. I'm Michelle and welcome to Michelle Lynn Coaching, your space to grow, heal, and rediscover your spark. Whether you're rebuilding after burnout, starting your next chapter, or just ready to feel more alive, this is your reminder that joy isn't lost, it's here waiting for you. Let's dive in. Today I'm sharing practical, budget-friendly ways to prioritize your wellness without breaking the bank. Let's make wellness accessible for everyone. Let's start with movement and exercise because gym memberships can be pricey. The truth is you don't need a gym to move your body. Walking is completely free and incredibly effective. It's low impact, you can do it anywhere, and it benefits both your physical and mental health. Walk in your neighborhood, at a local park, around your office building, or even inside your home if the weather's bad. Like today, it's literally snowing outside. YouTube is a goldmine for free workout videos, yoga, strength training, dance workouts, Pilates, you name it, and it's on YouTube for free. Find instructors you like and follow along in your living room. Use your own body weight for strength training, push-ups, squats, planks, those horrible lunges. These require zero equipment and are incredibly effective. Look up body weight workout routines online. If you have stairs, use them. Stair climbing is an excellent workout. If you have a jump rope, that's a $10 investment for amazing cardio. Check your community for free resources. Many parks offer free outdoor fitness classes in warmer months. Some communities have free yoga in the park or running clubs. Libraries sometimes offer free fitness passes. If you do want some equipment, look secondhand. Check Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, or garage sales for used weights, yoga mats, or resistant bands at a fraction of retail price. The point is, moving your body doesn't require money. It just requires making it a priority and being a little creative. And you don't want to spend a ton of money on something you might not end up liking. Let's talk about food because eating healthy can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be. Buy in-season produce. Whatever's in season is usually cheaper and fresher. Summer means cheap berries and tomatoes. Fall means affordable squash and apples. Learn what's in season in your area. Frozen fruits and vegetables are your friend. They're often cheaper than fresh. They last longer so there's less waste. And they're frozen at peak ripeness, so they're very nutritious. There's no shame in frozen veggies. Buy whole foods and prepare them yourself. Pre-cut fruit, pre-made meals, and convenience foods are more expensive. Buying whole vegetables and doing the prep yourself saves significant money. And yes, it takes more time, but that's often the trade-off when money is tight. Embrace batch cooking. Cook large batches of staples like rice, beans, and grains at the beginning of the week. Make big pots of soup or chili that stretch across multiple meals. This saves time and money. Protein doesn't have to be expensive. Eggs, beans, lentils, and canned tuna or chicken are affordable protein sources. You don't need expensive cuts of meat at every meal. Shop store brands. Generic or store brand items are often the exact same quality as name brands for less money. This applies to everything from grains to canned goods to dairy. Plan your meals around what's on sale. Check store flyers before shopping and build your meal plan around discounted items. Stock up on non-perishables when they're on sale. Reduce food waste. Use what you buy. Plan meals around what you already have. Freeze things before they go bad. Get creative with leftovers. Grow your own herbs. Even if you don't have garden space, herbs in pots on a windowsill are easy and will save you money over buying fresh herbs at the store. Eating well on a budget requires more planning and effort, but it's absolutely possible. You don't need expensive superfoods or organic everything to nourish your body well. Stress management is crucial for wellness, and you don't need expensive spa days or retreats to manage stress effectively. Breathing exercises are completely free and incredibly powerful. Simple deep breathing, box breathing, or the 4-7-8 technique can calm your nervous system in minutes. Look up free tutorials online and practice daily. Meditation apps have free versions. Insight Timer, for example, has thousands of free meditations. You don't need expensive subscriptions to benefit from meditation. And journaling costs the price of just a notebook. Writing down your thoughts, worries, or gratitude can be remarkably therapeutic. You can even use the Notes app on your phone if you don't want to purchase a journal. And my favorite is nature. Nature is free therapy. Spending time outside, whether that's just sitting in your backyard or walking in a park or simply opening your windows, reduces stress and improves mood, and there is no cost required. Connect with loved ones. Call a friend, video chat with family, or have a conversation with your partner. Social connection is one of the most powerful stress relievers, and it's free. Free resources online. There are countless free articles, videos, and resources about stress management techniques. You can learn progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, or other techniques without spending a dime. Create calming routines. A relaxing bedtime routine or morning routine costs nothing but makes a huge difference in your stress levels. Dim light, gentle stretching, or reading, these simple things help you decompress. The most effective stress management techniques aren't expensive ones, they're consistent ones. Free practices done regularly beat expensive treatments done occasionally. Mental health support can be expensive, but there are budget-friendly options. Check if your employer offers an employee assistance program. Many do, and they often include several free therapy sessions. Don't leave this benefit unused. Look into sliding scale therapy. Many therapists offer sliding scale rates based on income. Don't be afraid to ask about this. It's common practice. Online therapy platforms can be more affordable. Services like Talkspace are often cheaper than traditional in-person therapy, though still not free. Some offer financial aid. Community mental health centers often offer low-cost services. These are particularly helpful if you're uninsured or underinsured. Support groups are often free, whether it's in-person or online. Support groups for everything from anxiety to grief to life transitions can provide community and help at no cost. Crisis lines are always free. If you're in crisis, resources like the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline are free and available 24/7. Mental health apps offer free versions. There's apps for anxiety, depression, or general mental wellness that often have free features that can be surprisingly helpful. You can also get books from the library. Self-help and mental health books are available free from your library, including many audiobooks and ebooks. Mental health support doesn't have to be out of reach financially. Be resourceful and ask about affordable options. Let's talk about other wellness practices you can do on a budget. Sleep optimization is free. The most important things for good sleep: a consistent schedule, dark room, cool temperature, no screens before bed, cost nothing. You don't need an expensive mattress or fancy sleep gadgets to sleep well, though they might help. Gratitude practice costs nothing. Whether you think it, say it, write it, practicing gratitude is free and scientifically proven to improve well-being. Learning is increasingly free. Want to learn about nutrition, fitness, mental health, or wellness? Libraries, YouTube, podcasts, and free online articles provide endless education. Sunlight is free vitamin D. Get outside during daylight hours when possible. Sunlight boosts mood, regulates your circadian rhythm, and provides vitamin D. Stretching requires no equipment. Regular stretching improves flexibility, reduces pain, and helps you feel better. Look up free stretching routines online. Decluttering improves mental health and costs nothing. In fact, you might even make money if you sell things. A cleaner, more organized space significantly impacts your well-being. Dance is free movement and joy. Put on music you love and dance in your living room. It's exercise, stress relief, and mood booster all in one. And of course, laughter is the best and free medicine. Watch funny videos, call a friend who makes you laugh, or play with kids and pets. Laughter genuinely improves your physical and mental health. Water is the cheapest wellness drink. Forget expensive pressed juices or wellness lattes. Sure, they're delicious, but water is what your body actually needs, and it's practically free. Hobbies don't have to be expensive. Drawing, writing, reading library books, playing with pets, gardening from seeds, learning an instrument you already own. Hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment don't require big investments. Now, let's talk about what might actually be worth spending money on when you do have some budget for wellness, so you can prioritize wisely. Good shoes if you walk or run regularly. This is one area where quality matters for injury prevention. but you can find good shoes on sale or last year's models at a discount. Basic kitchen tools that make healthy cooking easier, a decent knife, a cutting board, some basic pots and pans. These are one-time investments that make preparing healthy food much more manageable. Mental health support if you need it. If you're really struggling, professional help might be worth stretching your budget for or finding creative ways to afford. Your mental health is foundational to everything else. A water bottle you'll actually use. Staying hydrated is crucial, and having a water bottle you like makes it easier. This is a small investment with big returns. Whatever makes you consistent. If a $10 a month meditation app makes you actually meditate regularly, it's worth it. If a fitness class you pay for makes you actually show up, it's worth it. Sometimes spending a little money creates accountability. Quality over quantity for a few basics. Rather than buying lots of cheap things that don't work well or fall apart, invest in a few quality basics that will last. This is more economical long term. But here's the key. Only spend money on things that you'll actually use and support your specific wellness goals. Don't buy things because the wellness industry says you should have them. Let's talk about the most important thing. The mindset shift around wellness and money. Wellness culture has convinced us that we need to spend a lot to be healthy. Expensive supplements, trendy workouts, organic everything, the latest wellness gadgets. It's easy to feel like you can't be healthy without money. And that's simply not true. The most powerful wellness practices are free or very low cost. And these include moving your body, eating mostly whole foods, getting enough sleep, managing stress, connecting with others, spending time in nature, practicing gratitude. These cost little to nothing, and they're more impactful than any expensive wellness product. Wellness isn't about what you buy, it's about what you do consistently. A free daily walk is better than an expensive gym membership you never use. Cooking simple, healthy meals at home is better than expensive meal delivery services you can't sustain. Okay, friends, thanks for spending this time with me. Remember, rise stronger, live brighter. If you're ready to keep resetting, healing, and learning, click on that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below and join our community. I'll see you in the next one.